Peter, not your average guy on the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel. I'm on a trip across Cyprus, and here you can see a shipwreck. And of course, I have to film that with the drone. You know what? I may want to use the filters. Put the camera down, not it's too much, like this, and then go up a little bit more and go to the ship. I think it's about 600 meters. Of course, there's high wind velocity in this area, but I know that the Phantom can handle quite some wind, so we'll see. Well, here's a shipwreck. That was some navigation error. Wow. I lost control and I got it back. Lost control again, and that only at 600 meters. Okay, completely disconnected, and now it's coming back. Oh, wow, that's weird. Disconnect. I have to set the return to home altitude lower. Why is that on 0 meters? That's a little bit strange. Okay, so there we are. Still disconnected. That's weird. Oh, wow. There it is. I can see it over there, but I want to set the return to home altitude not at 120 but at 20. Okay, there's a big gull. In front of me. I'm going to fly a little bit higher. 20 meters. Put the camera down a little bit. Okay. Let's see if I can make a turn around this ship. Oh, wait. It's again 5.8. It's always the same, you know. 2.4, guys, come on. 2.4. And it doesn't do that. 2.4. Yeah, now it's 2.4. And then the connection will be better. So now I have to go around it like this. Try to keep it in view. Which goes quite alright. So I will keep circling around it like this for a moment. And now I don't have it completely in view anymore, which is not a very big deal, but the connection is better now, alright? So let's have a closer look. Just like this, and there's some birds out there. A navigation error. There's even a flag out there. So let's go up. Meanwhile, putting the camera down, which goes pretty well. This is maximum flight altitude. This is entirely camera entirely down. I think this is a nice shot. Now the question is, of course, if I dare to land on the ship. I don't know if I dare to do that, because there is a small chance that it will tip over because there is a strong wind, or that I lose connection because it's some obstacles in between. There's a long, what is it? No, I cannot land there for sure. And I want to know what this is. Is it going? Well, we can have a look in the ship. This is not pointing upwards, eh? This is not pointing upwards, it's just down there. So it means I can hang around here and we can have a look down. So we can look in the ship. The transmission signal gets worse, of course. But this is what you get inside. Well, here is for sure not a good spot to land. Maybe over there, but you can see there is a ridge around it, so if I would land there, I just might lose signal and then I won't be able to get it back. And there is a wire out there going from up there to there, so let's not go there. Well, we could fly underneath. Nah, I cannot land anywhere out there. I could fly underneath this thing, just in between, like here. It's a small risk that I will gladly take for you guys. Or what? Can I do that? Like this. I can. Yahoo! Let's go down to like 5 meters. Five meters should be high enough to not be getting hit by the waves like this. The horizon is not entirely straight anymore, eh? It doesn't do anything. And now flying around it. I think it's more nice when you do that higher, but anyways. I want to go higher. Put the camera down, because then you also don't get so much air and wide clouds. Oh, some bird checking me out again. Alright, I think we've seen the ship. Can say bye-bye. And then let's have a little bit of a look at the land here. There's Paphos, a city out there, which is quite nice, but I can't fly there. There is an airport nearby, so unfortunately. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, give me your comments, and see you on the next video.